Welcome back to the Art of Finance, and in today's video we'll be going over my ultimate silver buying guide for 2020. This is a follow-up video from my gold buying video, as a lot of the same principles do apply, so go ahead and watch that first before watching this video. Why should you invest in silver? Silver is a beautiful shiny white metal which is highly reflective, malleable, conducts electricity and even has the ability to kill bacteria. All of these features make silver a precious metal and is used throughout numerous industries such as electronics, energy, medicine and jewelry. Silver has been traded for thousands of years, and till this day silver is still used for investment purposes and to hold wealth. There are 5 main drivers of silver. Supply and demand. Silver supplies, just like the other precious metals, are limited. There is only a finite amount of silver on this planet. Silver is difficult to mine, and due to this there are higher mining costs involved, driving the prices upwards. Silver scrap metal. Scrap silver metals are anything that are not gov-minted coins or bars. This can be silver jewelry, silverware and much more. As silver prices rises, more scrap supplies come onto the market, which can put a cap on prices. Industry demand. This is the main driver of silver. Industries have a large effect on silver, such as there's a huge transition going towards fully electric vehicles like Tesla. Other uses within the industries are water purification, circuit boards, solar panels and much more. Inflation and the US dollar. Investing in silver has a benefit of hedging against inflation. This holds your current purchasing power if the dollar weakens. There is a strong correlation between the dollar and silver. If the dollar weakens, silver prices rise and vice versa. Gold prices. Gold and silver have a strong positive relationship. They both tend to track each other's movements. Therefore, many investors use it as a gauge to buy or sell silver. Silver is a very volatile metal. This has the advantage of buying and selling silver frequently compared to gold. There are 2 main ways to invest in silver, either through an ETF or to purchase physical silver bullion. Each share of silver ETF corresponds to a certain notion amount of silver, and the prices of ETF shares typically track silver prices fairly closely. There is a more cost-efficient way to purchase silver, as there are premiums when purchasing physical silver, such as the capital gains tax, and buying above the spot price. Silver ETFs also have their expenses to manage their accounts, but this is fairly modest. The iShares Silver ETF, for example, charges an annual expense of 0.5%. As for physical silver, things get a bit more complicated. There is a learning curve to when purchasing silver bullion, so let's get into it. Where to buy silver? This is one of the most regarded questions when it comes to investing in silver bullion. Depending on where you are in the world, you could Google, if you're in America, 1 ounce silver American Eagle coin. In Australia, 1 ounce silver kangaroo coin, and in the UK, 1 ounce silver Britannia coin. This will provide a list of the top reputable dealers for that silver coin. Always look at the first pages, as they tend to be the safest and backed up with reviews about the security of the website. If you are looking for the safest website, you can't go wrong from buying from the main dealers such as the Gov Minted, which is the US Mint, Perth Mint and Royal Mint UK. A list of reputable secondary dealers is within the top 20 to 50 Google websites. They are usually the most trustworthy, but always do your research before purchasing on any website. This is also helpful as you can use the different websites for a nice price comparison. The top dealer in the UK for me is Bullion by Post. It's the best bang for your buck, but I do prefer to purchase gold rather than silver on this website. Bigger sites like Bullion by Post have overheads such as advertising, so this is also accounted for in the pricing. That is why it is quintessential to look at different websites for a price comparison. In America, you have the largest dealer, AppMex. This site is quite renowned for purchasing precious metals in America. You will have no problem purchasing from this website, but always try it for yourself, as every investor has different experiences. While searching for silver bullion websites, you can create a list of dealers that purchase silver also. This is essential when it comes to liquidating your silver, as it turns out you will sell back your investment back to the dealer. This is where the personal relationship with your dealer can be beneficial to both parties. The dealer can call you for special deals and you could get better prices when liquidating. Take an extra look within your area for your dealers, as these are the most likely dealers you'll sell to. Having compiled a list of silver dealers, when liquidating, you would be able to get quotes from each dealer finding the best profit. Also remember that dealers are the weakest link when it comes to selling and purchasing silver. eBay is also a great website when it comes to selling and buying your silver bullion. You can find or sell just under the spot price, attracting customers. This helps maximizing your profits, as dealers will try their best to buy your silver as low as possible. When it comes to purchasing silver, you can find dealers that are selling slightly under the spot price, allowing you to pick up your silver for a great price. Do bear in mind that there are eBay fees to pay also. So give this a trial run and see if you are benefiting from this style of selling and buying. The more exposure you get from different buying strategies and selling strategies, the better you could optimize and maximize your profits. As a seller, you will need to build up your eBay account with good reviews and feedback. This will help in hand with a lot of future sales, as your account will be more trustworthy and reliable. Always provide great customer feedback to achieve this. Likewise, when purchasing anything on eBay, check their eBay seller's account for the given and their given feedback and their star rating. Only purchase from reputable sellers or an account that has a good consistent feedback. There are many fake silver bullions floating around on eBay, so always check your silver prices once you receive your item in the post. This is a must every time, even though if the seller is reputable, you're better safe than sorry. You can always purchase a silver testing kit or to take it down to a local dealer to verify your purchase. So what are the buying strategies? Are you going to dollar cost average or purchase all at once? Depending on the market, you could get a good spot price. As the price of silver is on the higher side of now, I would recommend dollar cost averaging. Monthly purchases are safer, not rushing into a new commodity. This gives you a good feel for the market as you are new to it, and this will give you a great first-hand experience learning the market for yourself. Downsides to dollar cost averaging is not being able to purchase at good prices for a large amount of silver. When to buy? Buy low, sell high. It is very difficult to time the market. If you have the funds and you are ready, then buy it now. Otherwise, you will never get started, as no one knows if the price will go up or down. Naturally, over time, the price will fluctuate, and silver is a volatile commodity. This means the price isn't stable over a short period of time. This is why people tend to flip silver very quickly for small profits in the short run. Never rely on a pundit or silver guru to tell you the forecast whether to buy or sell. You have equally the same chances of assuming if the price will go up and down. Even highly trained professionals don't know. So always do your research and make that decision. So, don't wait and don't pay too much attention to the spot price. What to buy? There are 3 types of silver bullion that you can purchase: generic, gov silver coins, and silver bars. Generic silver. This is anything that is not produced by the gov mint. There are some funny coins such as the African coins, Ugandan or Ghanaian coins. Generic silver should always be purchased at the lowest price possible, no more than 0.5% over the spot price. Generic silver can be junk silver, scrap silver, fractional silver. One of the pros to this is the very low premiums, which are close to the spot price. The cons: selling to a dealer can be very difficult, as it is much harder for them to sell on. There is a preference on gov-minted coins, but some will pick up generic silver if they have a good customer that will purchase it. Gov-minted coins. They are produced by the government of that country. It has a worldwide recognition and has a stamp of being official. That is its strongest pro. Whereas its con is having more on the spot price, but it has that seal of approval. Bullion bars. America is great for bars. Governmented bars have a very large secondary market for silver trading, alongside with lower premiums. Within the UK and Europe, bars are more of a fun purchase. If it's very difficult to liquidate and with high premiums and selling at a spot price, silver bars are a terrible purchase, as silver bars are capital gains tax applied, whereas silver coin denominations are capital gains tax free. As you dive into silver coin investing, you will come across different silver coins that are not governmented but belong to a series. These are for coins collectors that can actually bring back in some healthy profits if chosen correctly. Collector coins. Some of the successful series, for example, are the Luna 2. The Perth Mint did reasonably well. The Mouse 2-ounce coin did exceptionally well. The Ox 2-ounce, the Monkey 2-ounce has risen in the price before from $40 to $80 as there was a limited amount. Successful series, people want to collect them more, so more series will come out. The first series can be a good buy if they do well. This is because many collectors who start to buy in the later series will want a piece from the first series. An example of this is the Panda from the first series, as a lot of collectors who've came to like it. The older stuff has a lot of high quality products. Price history. Older coins that have been around for a long time, for example half sovereigns, have been around for ages. There's a large price history and many transactions, a good piece for collectors. You can see the price difference over time. Another great buy are mintage anomalies, as there are very few coins that have errors on it, so there's demand for those coins. Crowd wisdom. This is another thing that could drive up the price. If everyone is jumping onto a specific coin, that will significantly drive up that coin, making it overinflated. I would recommend to start slowly with the silver coin collecting. When it comes to investing, as a wrong purchase can be costly in high premiums and would equate to a small loss. So dip your feet in slowly when it comes to coin collecting, as you could get burnt very quickly if you don't know what you're purchasing. This is my 2020 guide to purchasing silver, so I hope they help. Please drop a like, comment and subscribe, as it really does help my channel to grow. This has been The Art of Finance. Peace.